Guys, I built a working display in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This is the numbering and this is gonna be reset. This is 0.
May isang number.
May nay. One, two, three. This is the number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is a button. Just for the display I built this for the display, and for the buttons here and separate them. This is the clear button, reset button. Oh yeah, that's it. And I connect it all the way there. That's it. Bye bye.